here we are trying to we're replacing actually USB-C port. I already pulled it up and I found one from another board. Sadly I don't have a new one like this. So we're going to add some solder here. Some solder here. Yep, and that's about it. Check that the solder is okay. We're already put the new solder. No, I'm not going to clean it. The flux is still good. And we're going to try to install it and see if that will solve us the problem. Because the port is definitely broken. Okay. So 300 degrees. 300 degrees is enough. And it should give me the ability to install it. We already put lower melting solder. I think it's 180 or something. So we should be able to do it in a lower temperature. That's what I like. Lower the solder temperature. And once the solder temperature is lower, it will be easier. Yep. I'm going to try to install it like this. This is went in, and it's in. Yes, it's in. Correct. Yeah, I think we are inside. We are good. I'm going to press it and hold it and hope for the best. Okay. Press and hold, press and hold, press and hold until it will cool down. Yeah, that's a good one. That's great. So the USB was soldered, and hopefully let's see that everything is good, no shorts. Problem is there are legs under that obviously we can't see, but it looks perfect, no? Yeah, looks good to me. Will this work? Yeah, I think it will work. Wow, that looks great. Oh, the heat, yeah. Okay. So yeah, we'll let it cool down and we'll see if it's working. I will get back to you in a few minutes. So we're going to put the heatsink in because we don't want the CPU to get too hot. Yep, it's like this. And I'm going to see if the laptop will work. Where's the screwdriver? The screwdriver is a small one probably I will need, no? The big one is good, okay. Okay, let's do that. Well, that's one. And one here. Yeah, that's enough for me to know that it's working. Good. Okay, so this is the alt port. You can have a look here what's going on with this port. Yeah, take a look under the mic. It look like hell. Okay, so I'm going to come here to the, let's go see and let's connect it to the meter and see that it's working. Where's the USB-C? The USB-C is here. Yep, the meter is here. The USB-C meter is probably somewhere over here. Yep, it's this one. So, let's see. If we will have 19 volt, we are good. I need to give the customer at least one port. Yeah, the laptop is working. The laptop is on. We did it. We did it. We restored one pin. I will show you that it's working. I will show you the fan as well. We installed it and just give me 1 second. I'll just put the fan in. I'll show you again that it's showing 20 volts. So I'm very happy that we managed to save the customer. I'll try to find another USB. You see, 19 volt, 20 volt, 0.5. The laptop is on. Perfect, perfect. We managed to fix it. I'll try to find another port. If I'll find one, we'll do it and we'll replace it together. Thank you. Okay. So we assembled the laptop and we're going to test it right now together and see if it will work. Yeah, 20 volt, 1.7 amp, and everything is good. We turn on the laptop. Yeah, the laptop is actually on. Yeah. Yeah, shut it down for a sec. Okay. Now let's see. Yeah, it's taking a good amount of amp. 1.7. Yeah, and the laptop is working. Thank you for watching. And if you need the USB-C replacement, let us know. Thank you. Bye.